Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to get a citation from an online database that has already created it for you. Remember, we don't want to plagiarize for our Civil War books. So first you're going to go to the library page, and then you're going to scroll down to the databases. I'm going to choose World Book. I like World Book. So then you'll select Student, and you need to type in the name of the person that you're doing your research on. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose Robert A. Lee, and there he is, the first choice. So two ways to get citation. Before you just automatically get a citation, make sure you want to use the article. This looks like, just scrolling through very quickly, it looks like there's going to be a lot of information. So the first way to get a citation is to click the little tool sprocket, go down to citations, and then you can select copy and then paste. Remember, we use MLA format. That's the first way. The second way is at the very end of the article, it is listed again. So you're going to select copy and paste from either location and put it into a Word document. Okay, and just remember that the second line has to be indented. So it's a little opposite of like beginning a new paragraph. Looks a little strange, but that's how you put a citation into your bibliography from an online database that has done it for you already. On my next video, I will show you how to create a citation from scratch in case they have not provided it for you.